Hi, I'm Josephine and you are welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to be designing a countdown timer like this to make our presentation more interesting. For instance, you may want to add a timed quiz at the end of a training with a countdown display. This may be perfect for it. Without further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. On a blank PowerPoint slide, activate the guides. Right-click on the slide and choose Format Background and change the color to black. Go to Shapes and select Oval Shape and draw it like this. Go to Shape Outline and select New Outline. Go to Shape Fill, click on More Fill Colors. On Standard, choose the color you want and click OK. Go to Shape Format and on Align, select Align Center. Click on Align again and select Align Middle. Go to Shapes again and select another oval shape and draw it inside. Select Align Center and select Align Middle. Now hold Ctrl Shift and drag the oval shape so that it will be equally enlarged. Like this. And go to Shape Outline, click New Outline. And go to Shape Fill and select black color. Now it's time to add animation. Select the first and second shape together. Go to Animations. On the drop down, select Wheel. Click on Animation Pane and on the second oval shape drop down, select Effects Options. On the timing, change the duration to 1 second and repeat 5 times. Click OK. Now go to Insert a text box and write 5. Change the text color to white and change the font to Arial Black. You can choose any font you want and increase the font size to 250. Move it inside the oval shape. After placing the number 5 inside the oval shape, go to Align and select Align Center and go to Align again and select Align Middle. Now let's duplicate this number 4 times. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. Change the number to 4. Duplicate the number again and change it to 3 and change it to 2. Duplicate again and change it to 1. Now select number 5 and go to Animations and select Appear and change the start to with Previous. Click on Add Animation and select Disappear and change the start to with Previous and change the delay to 1 second. Select number 4, go to Animations, click Appear and click on Start with Previous. Go to Add Animation and select Disappear Go to start again and select with previous and change the delay to 2 seconds. Select number 3, go to animations and select appear and go to start and change it to with previous. Go to add animations and select disappear. Go to start again and change to with previous and change the delay 3 seconds. Select number 2, go to animations and select appear. Go to start and select with previous. Go to animations and select disappear. Go to start and select with previous and change the duration to 4 seconds. Select number 1, go to animations and select appear. Go to start and select with previous. Go to add animations and select disappear. Go to start and select with previous and increase the delay to 5 seconds. Now let's put our numbers. Let's arrange our numbers inside the oval shape. You want to center them inside the oval shape like this. Select all the numbers inside the oval shape. Go to shape format, align center and align middle. Let's add some text box and write on it countdown timer. Just change the font and the font size. And change the font color to yellow as well. Yes, and center it nicely like this. Close your animation pane, the background pane. Now we are done designing our countdown timer. But before I demonstrate it to you, if you have found this tutorial helpful, kindly subscribe to our channel and also click on the like button below. Also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you. Now let's see how our countdown timer looks like. 3, 2, and 1. Here we have it. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.